Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to watch a bit more drifting this year, and D1NZ had rounds 1 and 2 on this weekend. So it actually is the same layout, just run in forward and reverse direction of Taupo Motorsport Park. I'm also back in the C5 Corvette. So looking at the V3 pack, it runs the same power, torque, and weight as the V2. So with that, let's jump in. All right, so back in the C5, the thing that immediately jumps out to me is the American flag floor mats. They might have been there on the V2 cars, but I didn't actually notice them. And on the wrong side of the car, since my shifter's on the left for me. All right, out of pits, I'm just going to cut up here. So this is the round 2 layout. This was the reverse layout. Basically the same out of zones. There's just one difference here. So come down the main straight. So in reverse the direction we're going, you run the outside around the corner. And then there was an outer zone around here, I believe. Transition over to an outer zone here. Through this corner, I think there was an outer zone here or a transition zone. One more up here. And then this part of the track, you meant to aim for the center. And this is the end or the start of round 1. So I thought it was a pretty interesting idea to run 2 rounds and just run it in reverse. Alright, so the round 1 layout started this way. So just take it easy, so you'd come down, they would come down through turn 1, kind of side by side. Then the lead car would start up here. So try and get it outside there, which I've missed. Keep it going down here. Slide off the track there. Just really fill that outer zone. And then this would actually have an inner clip somewhere around that ripple strip there, this direction. Alright, so with reverse, like I said, most of the clips were the same. Outer zone, sorry. There's no inner clips. So you'd come down, try and run the outer edge of this turn, transition over, try and get it to the outside there, and then off on the grass. Sort of like that. So I'll turn around and try it again. These corners are all they're all different, so you got to adjust your approach, and it's just not as flowing as I thought it was going to be. So I've already missed that outer zone. There's a big long straight there, and then I'm going to try to shave off speed for this section. So yeah, the track does not flow as nice as I thought it would, or as easy as they make it look in the comp. So I'm just trying to go slow here so I don't slide off the track like I just did. I'm going to try and keep that going so we can actually make the transition down here. And I didn't get out to where I wanted it to, and I've got to slow down a bit. That last, or beginning section this way, the straight is a lot feels a lot longer than it appears. So trying to get your line right so you can get the transition in the correct spot. So yeah, nice and easy through here. We probably need to get that out wider down there, and then help with that transition. And then this I really need to extend out further. So yeah, if you get it wrong, you just end up in the wrong place. It's a lot more, interesting than I thought, trying to get it right. However, in saying that, I don't know what this track's modeled on, so it may not be accurate. Try and drive it through, keep it on the track. Just should get out wide there. Definitely not getting that transition right. Wonder how the tyres are looking. Yep, they're turning yellow. Alright. Nice and easy through turn 1. So coming up the hill, click it. Just want to keep driving it out further to help with the transition for there. Just want to try and keep this driving further without a straighten. And then I didn't have enough speed to keep it going down there. Just reset the tires. So yeah, that straight is like misleading of how long it is. Trying to get your angle and positioning right to make it work. At least I find it is anyway. So you want to try and get it out. So this way is not too bad. Then I put too much angle there and stuff up this next part. So that's probably, for me, the trickiest part in that direction. And it's actually probably the same this way, thinking about it, but... and the Corvette just feels, from what I remember, the same as the V2 car. So this you want to try and get out. Maybe I should try and shift to 4th. And I got too much speed and not the right angle. And try and get that inner clip. Not having the zones marked out also makes it different, because I could be aiming for the completely wrong ones. Looks like you start to get yellow on the wheels after one run. Is it different if we don't aim for the outside? Big handbrake slide. I don't want much angle here. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. I guess that's the other part. I need to shave off speed in that direction for the final corner. First, second, third. Alright, come up here, still flick. No, lost it in fourth. I wonder if I can change back to third for that next section. Third gear. All right. I'm gonna probably need to enter down here with more speed than just kind of dawdling down and then doing a handbrake entry. Alright, come on third, just drive me through. Look. Keep some angle. Hold it. Probably wouldn't be what the judges are looking for, but that's probably my best attempt at that layout. Alright, I want to try fourth again for that downhill section. I think I'll be able to use fourth going uphill, but it seemed to work well all this way. Oh, I stuck that already. Alright, so if we go third. Keep holding third. Handbrake's trying to extend it out. Oh, I'm gonna miss the inner clip. Alright, I'll do one more in each direction. I really want to get that fourth gear right. Alright, first, second, third. Just handbrake. Limiter bash third. Did that way too early. Don't even feel like I'm drifting anymore. Wash out on the ripple strip. It's, yeah, misleading. But it's an interesting layout though. Yeah, the tyres almost look cooked anyway. But last lap, we'll just see how we go. Alright, try and get it out wide. Get fourth down the hill. Try and get it tight back in. Which I'm gonna miss. Yeah, so that's a few laps of Taupo Motorsport Park from D1NZ. I couldn't find a map that had the zones marked in it, but it's, you know, good enough to get a feel of what it was like, at least in Assetto. Hold it. Hey, there we go. And this part up the hill will just kind of run out. Yeah, so there's a couple more rounds of D1NZ. I'm pretty sure it finishes halfway through the year. Doesn't run the whole year for a season, so we'll try and watch the other rounds and try and find the other tracks and give them a go. With that, thanks for watching, guys.